In this lesson, we will see together indefinite demonstrative pronouns, and more precisely the pronoun cela. So what are the indefinite demonstrative pronouns? Well, we'll make it short, but then the two things that are important is that they are pronouns that point to something without specifying it precisely, and then the fact that they are not specified explicitly allows for a degree of ambiguity or generality. So this is the reason why you can hear them quite often. So in this lesson, we will concentrate on cela. And the indefinite demonstrative pronoun cela can be translated in English into various ways in that, this, or it. And as you can see, this is the reason why we can hear it quite often. So we'll have four examples. Elle ne croit pas cela. Elle ne croit pas cela. Nous devons résoudre cela rapidement. Nous devons résoudre cela rapidement. Il a dit cela hier. Il a dit cela hier. Regarde cela. Regarde cela.